We live in a small blue marble. Security is an issue for every one of us. Blue Marble Security is a virtual company of undergraduate students at Michigan Technological University focused on securing the future through thoughtful use of technology. Our student-led company combines a rich educational experience in engineering design, team building, project management, and original product development. Blue Marble Security's main business thrusts continue to be focused on industry-sponsored R&D and commercial product development. We sponsor several projects over a wide variety of technical specialties, including security, the environment, and industrial process control. The agenda today consists of explaining the structure and organization of the enterprise, as well as the projects. We will finish off with a slide presentation with the contact information in case anyone has any questions. Structure and organization. The structure of the company consists of the advisor and the president working together overseeing the vice president of communications, operations, finance, and lab manager. They have many tasks, and one of the tasks is to oversee the project managers of each project. The project manager oversees and organizes the project engineers. The first project we're going to be talking about today is Autobot, where the project goal was to build an autonomous robot that competes in the Intelligent Ground Vehicle Competition, also known as IGVC. The main tasks the robot had to do was to determine and follow a path around obstacles to a given waypoint, stay within lines painted on the ground, and to navigate to given GPS coordinates. The second project we'll be talking about today is the DCS Atmospheric Condition Monitoring Conditioning Purification, sponsored by CERC. The objective was to develop a system capable of monitoring and maintaining levels of identified gases of interest and purifying air inside a dry combat submersible. The DCS team was split into two sub-teams. The filtration team developed a system that would filter the air in the DCS and remove odors. The detection team system is capable of detecting various hazardous gases and alerting crewmates when conditions are dangerous. Our next project is the GM Cost-Effective Vision Pick Point System, which is sponsored by GM. This project's goal was to create a cost-effective picking system for use in a manufacturing environment. It consisted of training a neural network to identify objects, interfacing the computer vision program with a robotic arm. And all the programming was done in Python. Our next project is the high-density mobile shelving unit redesign. This project consisted in reverse engineering and identifying issues in the current bookshelves on the ground floor of the MTU library. The group maximized safety with the usage of proximity IR, limit switch, and sweep sensors, implemented an easy-to-use user interface, and ensured sustainable use and great documentation to future-proof Michigan Tech's moving bookshelves. And one of our oldest projects is the Oshkosh Baja suspension redesign. This project consisted of installing the suspension system designed and manufactured during phase 2, which is the prior 3 years of the project, and subject the system to a variety of standardized tests, determining vehicle handling, ride quality, and other critical performance requirements. This project provided the undergraduate student team the opportunity to see a suspension design through all stages of development and testing. The next project is the pressure measurements of blank ammunition, sponsored by CERC. This project consisted of creating a test bed that can measure the pressures of blank ammunition fired from an AK/AKM type firearm, and to assist in creating a better understanding of the safety threshold of the M240 blank fire adapter. And last but not least, the horizontal approach to UP Community Energy Project. This project intended to take a look at utilizing alternative energy as an industry for potential long-term investment and revenue source for the communities of the Upper Peninsula. The team determined appropriate application of various forms of renewable energy, integration of energy verticals to balance seasonality, and economics behind feasibility of adoption of these technologies. Now, if you have any questions, please email them to the President or VP of Communications listed below, Paola Quintana and Alex Patterson, and their emails are right next to it. Thank you so much and have a great evening.